Welcome back. Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch activists are still facing the courts for alleged offences during the statewide bandh. Activists from Bicholi have alleged BBSM leaders of being careless. 7 activists were arrested in Bicholi during a bandh called by the BBSM last June. The cases came up for hearing in JMFC Bicholi on Saturday.
Last year on 6th June, the Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch leaders had called for a statewide bandh against grants to English medium schools. The movement has been stalled, but some activists are still facing the court. 7 people were arrested in Bicholi during this bandh. The cases came up for hearing on Saturday. The cases against each of them have been settled almost a year later after signing a conditional bail bond of 5,000 rupees. The activists have alleged BBSM leaders of careless attitude.
आम्ही प्रत्येक वेळा आम्ही जी भारतीय भाषा सुरक्षा मंचाची जी निमंत्रक आसा माजी मुख्यमंत्री शशिकांत काकोडकर तिका आम्ही खूपदा फोनाचेर कॉन्टॅक्ट करपाक प्रयत्न केलो पण तेणी सांगलें की आपले ते पडलेले ना तुम्ही तुमचे पळोवन घेयात तुमकां आमी बंद करून सांगलेलें अशें म्हणजे उडवाउडी उत्तर दिवप तेंचें.
आम्ही ह्या केसीन अडकले गेले पण हेची नोंद भारतीय सुरक्षा मंचाचे भाषा सुरक्षा मंचाचे जे पदाधिकारी आसा तेंच्यांनी आमची सादी दखल सुद्धा घेवंक ना ही दुर्दैवाची गोष्ट.
अरेस्ट केल्या उपरांत आमचेर केसीस जाल्यो आयज आतां हे केसीस कोर्टान आहा. आयज आमकां 8 जाण आसले आमी 7 जाणांक आमकां आयज अरेस्ट करून आमकां आयज 5,000 रुपया हेचेर बेल बॉन्डाचेर सोडले आमकां श्युरिटी दिवची पडली. अजून पर्यंत जे भारतीय भाषा सुरक्षा मंचाचे जे पदाधिकारी आहा वरिष्ठ पदाधिकारी तेंच्यांनी कोणीच हांगा दखल घेतली ना.
The activists have asked the BJP government to look into their grievances. Uday Parab for Prudent Media.
Self-Help Group Federation of Dharbandora is up in arms for a complete ban on ore transportation. Federation is not happy with the state administration's decision of partially lifting the seasonal ban. They have reiterated the demand to stop ore transportation during monsoon. South Goa collector had recently conditionally allowed transportation of washed ore or lumps. It was also reported that the Dharbandora Panchayat had given a go-ahead to the ore transportation.
Self-Help Group Federation at Dharbandora marched to the Dharbandora Panchayat seeking explanation on the Panchayat's stand on ore transportation during monsoon. They are not happy with the South Goa collector's decision on partially lifting the ban on ore transportation in 3 talukas of Sange, Kepe and Dharbandora.
आयन ओर जो पावसान चालू जावपाचो आशिल्लो पूण कलेक्टरान जेन्ना लेटर दिलें की ट्रान्सपोर्ट बंद पावसाक म्हणून आमी ओगी आशिल्ली पूण जेन्ना परत अशें जालें की पेपरार आयलें की धारबांदोडा पंचायतीचें कांयच ऑब्जेक्शन ना की ट्रान्सपोर्ट चालू करपाक लागून की जशे लोक ट्रान्सपोर्ट चालू करपाक जाय अशें मागता तशें पंचायतीच्या बरोबर सहमत आसा अशें जेन्ना पेपरार आयलें तेन्ना आमी फक्त पंचायतीक लेटर दिवपाक लागले की आमचें ऑब्जेक्शन आसा आमी ट्रान्सपोर्ट चालू करूंक दिवची ना.
However, Panch member of the Dharbandora Panchayat claims that Dharbandora Panchayat never gave a go-ahead to the ore transportation in the area during monsoon.
की तुमचे कितें ऑप्शन घेया म्हणून सोमाराक कळय म्हणटा सोमाराक कळयना जाल्यार आमी कितें तरी डिसिजन घेतलें म्हणटा. हय जाल्यार हे विचारपाक शुक्रारा शेनवारा जेन्ना सरपंच पंचायतीन येवन हे विचारलें पंचांक आमी जाल्यार सांगलें कलेक्टरा इतली गडबड कित्याक हें करपाक सगळें एका दिसानूच तें दिवपा जाय म्हणून आमी ग्रामसभा आपया नाल्यार टायम घेवया. पयले त्याच्यान पयलीं सोमारा डायरेक्ट मंगळारा कलेक्टरान डिसिजन दिलें न्ही की ट्रान्सपोर्ट चालू म्हणून. आतां तुमी पंचायत आमी इतलें सांगूंक सोदता पेपरवाल्या मिडियाक की आमच्या धारबांदोडा पंचायतींतल्यान ट्रान्सपोर्ट चालू कर म्हणून कांयच आमी निवेदन कलेक्टराक दिल्लें ना.
Earlier, South Goa collector N.D. Agarwal had partially modified the initial order banning ore transportation in the 3 talukas of Sange, Kepe and Dharbandora. This review was following representations from the mining dependent people to modify the ban. However, collector has warned that if the conditions are found violated, the relaxation will be revoked within first fortnight. A reporter from Usgaon, Vivek Prabhu.
Tourist taxi and black and yellow taxi cab operators were in Mapsa and they had a tussle over the taxi parking and tourist business. Finally, the Deputy Collector had to intervene to sort out the issue. A joint meeting with the Deputy Collector has resolved to park the taxis at their respective stands in the city and not to pressurize the tourists.
The tourist taxi owners and yellow and black cab taxi operators had a tussle over their business. Deputy Collector of Mapsa, Shabaji Shetty, held a joint meeting recently to sort out the issue. Both the parties are annoyed with the chaos in parking of taxis and tourist booking. Deputy Collector has instructed both the parties to park their vehicles at their notified stands and not to interfere in each other's business.
तुम्ही तुमच्या गाडीकडे रावात आणि ते त्यांच्या गाडीकडे वतले बशीकडून येवचे ना त्या काउंटराकडे तर आम्ही सांगला आम्ही थंय रावतात पूण आमकां आमी भाडी बसयतना आमच्या तेंच्यांनी येवन कोण एकटो बी नासतना थंयसर हमलो करूं नाका.
हर दिसा आमचेर ब्लॅकवाले टॅक्सीवाले कंप्लेंट करता म्हणून आनी आमी केन्नाच कंप्लेंट करूंक ना. हे फर्स्ट टायम उलयता कित्याक लागून आमगे पळोवपाक जाय जे उलयतात पळय ते रॉंग ते सारकें ना. तेन्ना जें कितें ही मिनिस्ट्रीन कितें करता पळय ते सगळ्यांकूच दिवंक जाय आनी वेवस्थितशीर आसूंक जाय.
They will not come to the Bombay bus stands or the bus stands where the vehicles, buses from the outsides are reporting. They will stay at their respective stands, and the passengers who are desires either to take the yellow or the black color or the tourist taxi, and at their the choice they will take them.
Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent Media.
It's time now to look at some events happening in Margao and surrounding areas.
Margao market is unsafe. There is no fire safety equipment. Local shopkeepers and vendors get out MMC Chief Officer J.B. Bingi and Chairperson Arthur De Silva to voice their grievances. There is no firefighting equipment nor any water tank in the market. They have also requested municipality not to permit consumer shoppies at BPS and SGPDA grounds in Margao.
आणि मुन्सिपालिटी फक्त बारीक लोकांक एक मार्केटांक जेन्ना गाडी आशिल्ले ते काडल्या थंय आतां बिल्डींग जाल्या हेच करपाक उरल्या. फक्त हांव म्हणटा हे बिल्डींग पास केल्ल्या आनी तांकां पार्किंग त्या बिल्डींगेचे खंय गेलां त्या मुन्सिपालिटी पयले तेंचेर एक्शन घेवचें.
आनी हांव ऑलरेडी ते इंजिनियरा कडेन कॉन्टेक्ट जाला आनी तांची एक मिटींग स्पेशल मिटींग कॉल करतलो हांव. प्लस तांकां एक लेटरूय धाडटलो की ते बाबा फॉलोअप करा म्हणून बिकॉज इट इज बेसिकली PWD's वर्क. आमी जी लायसन्सीस दिता इज बेस्ड ऑन PDA डेव्हलपमेंट SGPDA जी डेव्हलपमेंट ऑथॉरिटीज जी फायली आमकां धाडटा त्या प्रमाणे आमी लायसन्सीस दिता. सो बेसिकली ते तो इश्यू जो आसा न्ही तो आमच्या टॅक्निकल सेक्शना कडेन बसून डिस्कस करून ताचेर मागीर फायनली कितें तरी करचें पडटलें आमकां.
The private bus owners in Margao have asked the South Goa collector to review the notice issued to them. They have asked the collector to extend the time limit at bus stop from 2 minutes to 5 minutes. They claim that school children and elderly passengers need more boarding time.
कलेक्टरान रिक्वेस्ट केला की लोक थोडे वॉचे घेवन उबे रावतात कितें सामान भितर घालचें पडटा डिकी बिकी बसी फाटल्यान सामान घालचें पडटा पूण जाणटेले लोक येतात तांकां वयर चडोवपाक करपाक कमीत कमी आमकां कलेक्टरान 5 मिनटां दिवचें म्हणून रिक्वेस्ट केला.
All the passenger who's going from the buses, they are allowed to take by the bus. They drop the buses, and people go there. Nothing worried. I am not issuing any new things.
Naveli MLA Avitan Futardo organized a garbage cleanliness drive at Nagmodde, Naveli. Local Sarpanch accompanied the MLA. A group of labourers and a truck was engaged in the garbage cleaning drive. Avitano said that he would take up such a drive every Saturday to clean up garbage in Naveli. He has appealed the people not to dump garbage at the roadside.
So today I have started that garbage drive and I think every Saturday I will do it. कित्याक गार्बेज जात तितू सारकी सोसूं जायना आनी ते हिंग भाड्यान रावताय ते चड कोताय खंय ते सायकलीचे येताय मोटरसायकलीचे येताय बॅगां पोताय उडयताय खंय. सो नाव आय विल बी व्हेरी स्ट्रिक्ट कोण सांपळ जाल्यार आय विल नॉट लीव देम डायरेक्ट पुलीस येवन दिता तांकां.
Savio Dias for Prudent Media.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.